Am I puddly enough for the puddle club? Puddle. Puddle, puddle. Or we could make it even more intense. 100 echo. Classic slap. Whoa. I do feel like I'm being slapped right now. Why is it called slap? Can I slap? Ow! Ow! Something's in the water and it's slapping me. This puddle is deceptively deep. You might think it's shallow, but actually there's monsters beneath. Do not be fooled. This is certainly a ping pong effect. Please, 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 please. It's a little hard with the echo on. I can change the pitch of my voice. Hold on.
Am I cute? Maybe that's too much. Kawaii. Uwu? No, I'm not using a voice changer. This is how my voice sounds naturally. What are you talking about, Uwu?
Oh yeah, this is my normal voice. I'm not using a voice changer, lady.
Wait, it doesn't sound that good. The deep voice, not as sultry as I imagined. I don't know if I'm gonna attract any ladies with that one. Is it working? I'm drowning! Help! Help! You can't keep me down. I will always come back up. I will always get back up. Don't think you can keep me down. Like, comment, subscribe on my 3D showcase because I had to perform necromancy and I've lost my regular form and I live in a puddle. You guys know what I mean when I say Twitter. How long before Twitter is no longer like people don't know what Twitter is? Where the kiddos are like, Twitter, what's that? I've never heard of that. What's that? Don't pretend with me. I know you know what Twitter is. I know you weren't born yesterday. Cause then you would get banned from the YouTube. Zoomers will call it X, but it wouldn't be Zoomers, would it? It would be like, what is after Zoomer? Alpha? Gen Alpha. It will be, what is our rude nickname for Gen Alpha? They're just babies right now though, so we shouldn't really be too mean to them. They have to turn into annoying teenagers, and then we can be like, OMG. Aren't the youths so annoying? And then, you just repeat the cycle, and then they go, okay. Okay, Zoomer. And now because Zoomer, the Zoomers are old, and now we use that as a term for the elderly instead of Boomer. They're babies, so they can't fight back. That's why we can't bully them yet. We have to wait until they run the cultural zeitgeist and they determine what is cool and what's uncool. And then they start calling us uncool, and then we get mad. And we call them, you little alpha babies. Wait, but they're gonna be alpha? How do you even make fun of someone if their name is Alpha? You little alpha wolf. You think you're so cool, so youthful. You little alpha? Alpharts? That's too mean. They're just babies. We can't be mean to them. Alpha butt. That's pretty good. They're definitely gonna think we're cool when we use this on it. How long can you hold your breath underwater? Let's find out. I'll hold my breath for real. Let me take a deep one. Sorry. Let me take a real one and not just do the gasping sound for performance. Hold on. I didn't start yet. Don't start yet. Are you guys gonna count though? You guys count, because I can't count. I got bored. How long was that? Cheating? I don't think I was cheating. I plugged my nose. Are you immersed right now? How immersed are you? Six out of 10? I don't know, I think this is pretty. I'm immersed. I'm 100% immersed. I think it looks pretty immersive. Thank you for welcoming me back, even though I am a puddle. Thank you for all your support on my 3D showcase. Thank you.